Today I'm here to teach you how to make pasta from scratch, from the really basic ingredients. At home you can create a lot of variety of pastas. You can fold the pasta into different shapes. You can make sheets to make lasagne, like baking pasta. You can make cannelloni rolling pasta with stuffed ingredients. In this class, we're gonna teach you how to make the classic fettuccine, which is a large spaghetti, and the spaghetti with thinner. Egg pasta, why? I like to introduce you with egg pasta because it's a rich and pasta that can be molded properly and can be blanched and cooked properly, doesn't break in the cooking, doesn't spoil. To achieve a pasta without egg, you need to put more suji, more semola inside the mixer and work out with the water and salt and a little bit of olive oil. You can do eggless pasta, but you have to have a durum wheat that gives strengthness to the pasta. For this recipe, we're gonna do egg pasta. So I've scaled here, I have a scale, 300 grams of maida and 75 grams of suji, semola, to give strengthness. In this mixture, we're gonna put only egg yolks, no whites. And you see the result, it has a reason and the texture. So we're gonna break eggs by egg, just get it out. I mean, a bit of white is not a problem. And we're gonna just throw 12 eggs inside. Important when you do this work, eggs are clean, even blanched or proper clean, washed, bleached. And 12, the last egg. Make sure there are no crumbs, no broken pieces. On this mixture, we have to add a bit of salt, which is 7 grams of salt. And 7 grams of olive oil, so should be this amount. Why olive oil in pasta? Because it gives elasticity when you mold. So it's very important. So now, from scratch, I can start my dough. Slowly, I will mix the eggs in the mix. Okay, so I let the eggs mixture take all the maida slowly. You have to now use your hand, get out from the scale, and start catching all the maida. Crumbling a bit. 2 hands are okay also. So we crumble the dough. It is a good thing to do at the beginning to just absorb all the maida. Okay, you can use this with a machine at home. If you have a KitchenAid, that will help a lot. And you'll have a fast dough mix. But by hand, this is it. So when you see that the eggs have absorbed all the humidity, you can add a little bit of water. So if the texture doesn't take all the egg, of course, we have to add a little bit of water to make moist or dough. So I'll just put the water in my hand and gently add water to the mixture. Again, this is dry. If it's dry, you put some water around and then get it together. And once you have catched all the dough, you can go out from the bowl and then start kneading the dough. The dough is now a little wet. We have to balance. How we do this? We dust our floor, our table, with flour, maida. I think it's on the way. More you work, better your pasta will be. So it creates a gluten. The gluten mix with the water and the egg and creates the texture of the pasta, the gluten texture. So our dough now, it's plastering off to be put on rest. We have to keep it half an hour resting. So we're going to put it back here and cover with some lids, like any lid or plastic film.